Hi everyone, this is Sumant from Decode Now. Welcome to the lecture series on Python for Beginners. In this video, we will be discussing about Booleans in Python. Let's jump into the video. If you are not familiar with the term Booleans, it's basically an operator which represents or conveys two values, either true or false. This becomes very important later in our coding journey because we will be using it in the control flow and logic. We will not be directly using the value true or the false, but instead we will define whether a statement is true or false by using logical operators. Let's jump into the coding section. So, one thing you have to notice here is while defining the Boolean values, that is the true or the false, the first T should be capital. Or else if I say, let's say I say with the small letter t, and it would throw an error saying that name true is not defined because it assumes that true is a the small t r u e is a variable and it is not defined anywhere, so it throws this particular name error. The same goes with the false also. We have to capitalize the first f, or else I would get the same name error. As I was saying earlier, you would define certain statements that says this particular value is true or false by using operators such as greater than, less than, or equal to, or not equal to. We will be discussing more about these operators in detail in the later section. Let's say if I wanted to check whether 1 is greater than 2 or not, I would just say shift enter and it would give the output as false. If I wanted to check whether 1 is equal to 1, we would use double equals instead of single equals, and that would give me true. Do not worry about these operators for now. Just concentrate on the Boolean values that we are returning for these statements. We will discuss about these operators later in detail. I can also check the type of the Boolean. For example, if I say type of false, then it would give me the type BOOL. So this was all about Booleans. If you have learned something new, please do subscribe to our channel and support us. If you have any questions, suggestions or requests, please let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video.